What's up, everybody? Brian here with attention to details on this beautiful Saturday morning finally. I have a really good client turned into friend, Jake, with us here today with his 2019 Mustang GT. Super cool car. Extensive mods done to it. What are you pushing now on this about horsepower?
Pushing about 850 horse to the tire, give or take a little bit.
Yeah.
Done fully 85 with the Edelbrock's supercharger 2650. Car's got full suspension and one-piece drive shaft, all the goodies to make it hook. And
so she's quick.
oh yeah, she's fun.
So we met Jake about a year and a half ago. He got in touch with us when he got the car and he was starting to do his mods, and he knew about the paint protection film. He educated himself, knowing that Expel was some of the top film that's on the market right now. So he come in and we made a plan for him, and we wrapped the full front end, the fenders, the doors, and the mirrors. And then he got this custom hood, and when he got this in, he had to have it painted, matched by one of the people that we use, Joe, that does our painting. Anyway, come out absolutely stunning. And then we wrapped the hood. One of the reasons I want to do this video is because he just took it out of storage today. He's going to get it cleaned up and stuff. But we had one of the pieces on one of his fenders that it started to lift a little bit. We just had to do some trimming, so we took care of that. But this is actually, I believe, what, the second time we had to wrap this hood twice?
These here are actually just for show. They're not real hood pins, but they went underneath there and put the Expel perfectly and cut it, so now you don't even see it. I think before it was, the edges were kind of,
yeah, it was cut
exposed.
Out. Yeah,
and they completely wrapped my hood, no cost, and they actually wanted to do it. I felt really bad, and they're just down to earth guys. They took care of me, wrapped it, and they even tucked under the heat extractor here really nice. I mean, you can't even tell the car's wrapped.
Yeah, that was one of the reasons that we changed it out, because this is so tight, so driving and moving it shuffled. So with the issue that we had here, so we took this all out. I believe we removed these, and then we reused them back down, but we made it all seamless one piece. And then that was cured, and then after driving it for a while, we just started to get some lift in here just from this rubbing against it. So when we tuck this back out, we tuck it even further down, let it cure and heat seal, and right now it's holding up beautiful. So the point behind this video is that we're not a fly-by-night. We're here going to take care of you always. And I want to thank you, Jake, for coming in today and letting us take care of you and trusting us with this badass ride. And we're also going to be discussing today too, we're going to start making plans of, he wants to start wrapping the rest of it, the rear hips and stuff like that. So we're just going to keep adding to this. He's going to keep throwing more money into this for horsepower, so watch out for this thing on the streets. So again, Jake, thank you so much for trusting us and loving our work, and we thank you very much for that. And yeah. So anyway, guys, have this awesome Easter weekend. Sunny, it's supposed to be warm. So for now, love and happiness. Peace.